Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our Fundamentals of Islam Part 2. If you can turn to page number 13, inshallah azawajal, we're going to learn the dua recited in reply to the sneezing person. Remember, you learned the dua that when you sneeze yourself, you should say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen ala kulli hal. Now, if you hear someone say this dua, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen ala kulli hal, then it is necessary, wajib upon you to reply. And this is the reply we're going to be learning today. So if you can repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Yarhamukallah. Yarhamukallah. Once more. Yarhamukallah. The translation. May Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on you. So if you can learn this dua as well by heart with the translation, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.